Hi, good morning, children. Okay, many of you know me very well. So, I am your geography teacher, Remya. Okay, this year you have two subject in SS. In fifth standard, only SS was there as a single subject. But this year you have two subjects. What are they? History and geography. And I am teaching you geography this year. Okay, my name is Remya. Okay, the first lesson in geography is about our solar system. Okay, shall we go to the chapter? Yes, very good. So, the Earth, our planet Earth in the solar system, that is the name of the lesson. Okay, so our planet, the name of our planet is Earth. It is a member, it is an important member of the solar system. So solar system means the family of the sun. Solar system is the family of the sun. Sun is the main important member of our solar system. That is why it is known by the name solar system, by the name of sun. Okay, so as you know, sun is a star. Is a star. Can you imagine that sun as a star? No, nobody. Because you are seeing the shape of the sun is round. And in your mind, star means, yes, the star, the shape of the star. We are hanging this Christmas stars. Hmm? So, the sun is also a star. Okay. Yes, during daytime, you can see the sun, isn't it? During daytime only, we can see the sun. And at night, some nights we see a moon, and some days we see stars. So many, enormous number of stars are there in the sky. If it is very clear, we can see so many. But nowadays it is not clear. It is a cloudy night. So stars are there. So many stars are there, big and small. They are twinkling. In nursery classes, you may have that rhyme, twinkling, twinkling stars, twinkle twinkle little stars. Yes, that like that, stars are all twinkling, but actually that is an illusion of our eyes. When we are concentrating a single star, we can notice. If we are noticing, if we are observing a single star for some time, yes, it we feel that it is not twinkling. And why the sun is not in the shape of a star as we have in our mind? A star means this type of shape we have in our mind. Star is in this shape. But what about sun? Sun is round in shape. Why? What is the reason? Sun is round in shape, and all other stars that we are see at night are very small. And in our minds, stars are in this shape. Why the difference is there? Sun isn't round and others are very smaller than the sun. Yes, because sun is very close to our earth, our planet. That is why it seems in round shape. And what about others? Yes, they are very, very, very far away from us. That is why they are very small. Yes, just look at the sky when the aeroplane is going. Yes, usually you already saw the size of an aeroplane when it is there in the airport. What about during the time when it is flying over the sky? It is looks like very small, like a mosquito, like a housefly, isn't it? Because it is far away from us. It is flying very at a very height. That is why it looks very small. Like that, all the stars are very far than the sun. That is why the sun looks round in shape, and all other stars we see the stars, see the night sky. In the night sky, they are very far. That is why they are very small. And why we couldn't see the stars at daytime? Have you imagined that? Have you think about that particular thing? What is the reason we couldn't see the stars at day? At daytime means if the sun is there in the sky, we couldn't see any stars. Why? Yes, a very simple exercise, a very simple experiment is given in your textbook. Okay, you do it. then you will find the reason for that particular thing. Why we couldn't see stars at daytime, during the daytime. Okay, you please go through that experiment at your home and inform me what is the inferences you are getting at that particular experiment. Okay, see, when the sun sets in the evening, in the night sky, it is full of stars like this. Hmm? Yes, so many stars are here in the night sky, isn't it? So many. A number of, we cannot count them, isn't it? Yes, we cannot count the number of these stars in the night sky. Yes, so many stars. Sometimes we are confusing. Are these stars or diamonds studded in the sky? Hmm? Aren't you? Yeah, sometimes I felt so. Okay. And only stars are there in the sky during the night time. No, we can see some other things. Can you name some of them? What about the stars? Very small stars are there, and sometimes we can see some big stars also. And what other bodies are there in the night sky? Yes, we can see an important member, an important body there. What is that? Yes, that is the moon. Yes, look at the picture here. You can see this picture is taken from the space by some satellites, okay, artificial satellites sent by the human beings. Okay, you can see here, this is our Earth and this is the moon. Yes, we have one moon that is going around, means revolving around the Earth, our planet. Okay, that is a satellite. So the natural satellite of Earth is moon. Okay, and find the difference in size between this Earth and moon. Yes, the moon is very small and the Earth is very big. As compared to a moon, Earth is very big, isn't it? Yes. And have you noticed that the shape of the moon is not same every day? And also sometimes some nights we couldn't see the moon. Hmm? Have you noticed that? No? Okay, from today onwards you please notice. If it is clear, the night sky is clear, yes, you can notice, you can observe the difference. Sometimes you will see a very small moon and sometimes a very big moon and sometimes no moon. So let us check what is the difference, what is the reason for that. Okay, let's look here. You can see different shapes of moon, isn't it? Yes, here the first one. Look here, only a crescent shape is here and the shape is increasing, isn't it? Then it will become a full moon and we call it as full moon itself. In Malayalam, we call it as Veluttavavu or Paurnami. Okay, Veluttavavu or Paurnami. You can see the full moon that day. That is full moon day. And after that full moon, then again the size of the moon will diminish. Okay, and at last it become, yes, the like the first one, the crescent shape. Okay, after that, one day you couldn't see that moon at night. Yes, what it is called? Yes, in Malayalam we call it as Kartavavu or Amavasya or Amavasi. And in English, that is called New Moon Day. New Moon. Okay, that is the different shapes of moon. In the coming classes, we could learn how or why this shape of the moon is varying in different in each day. Okay, yes, fine. So sometimes you can see a group of stars with a particular shape, in a shape or in a pattern. So in this chapter, you have that constellation. You have to study what is constellation. Okay, listen. What is constellation? Okay, constellation means nothing. It is a group of stars. It's a group of stars, and by connecting these stars by imaginary lines, yes, we get some patterns, some shapes. Okay, let us check what are they. For example, yes, yes, can you see this? The name of this constellation is Ursa Major. Okay, what is that? Ursa Major. Yes. So you can see seven big stars here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So in Indian mythology, it is termed as Saptarshis. Seven rishis means sages. Sannyasimar. Okay, seven sages. So Saptarshis. It is a part of Ursa Major or Big Bear. Okay, that is a constellation made up of a group of stars. This Saptarshis or Ursa Major is composed of seven main stars, a group of seven stars that form a part of Ursa Major constellation. Okay, you can see that in the night sky when it is clear. Hmm? And you please ask the help from your parents to check parents to see this Ursa Major or Saptarshi constellation in the night sky. Okay. So this all these objects, stars, moons, or planet, the sun, all these things, all the bodies, all the objects that we see in the night sky, in the sky, they are termed as, yes, what? Celestial bodies. What? Celestial bodies. They include stars, planets, moons, etc. So many objects are there in the sky. All these objects together known as celestial bodies. What is that? Celestial bodies. Okay. What are the celestial bodies? The objects that we see in the sky. They are known as celestial. Okay, next we are going to discuss an important celestial body, means the other important members of our solar system, rather the sun. Okay, they are called planets. Have you heard this word? Yes, obviously you may heard this word in every classes. It means in the previous classes, in the previous school years, in the fifth standard or fourth standard, you may heard this planets, heard about these planets. What are these planets? Hmm? Have you ever thought about these planets? Yes, you know that our planet, our Earth is a planet. Hmm? Earth is a planet. So the word planet is derived from a Greek word. Okay, it is derived from a Greek word. That Greek word is planete. What is the Greek word? Planete. The word planet is derived from a Greek word planete. What's the meaning of this word? Meaning of this Greek word? Yes, wanderer. Wanderer. So wanderer means, yes, നമുക്കറിയാം ഇങ്ങനെ ചുറ്റിത്തിരിഞ്ഞ് നടക്കുന്നയാൾ, കറങ്ങിത്തിരിഞ്ഞ് നടക്കുന്നയാൾ. That is the meaning of the word wanderer. So planets are those objects, they are moving around the sun. Okay, planets are those celestial bodies which are moving around the sun. They are known as planets. Okay. So what are planets? Planets are celestial bodies which move around or go around the sun. They are known as planets. So what is sun? Sun is a star. Then what do you mean by a star? What is a star? Yes, stars are those made up of gases, means hot gases, and they have their own light and heat. They are known as stars. Okay, stars, they have their own light and heat because they are glowing gases. Okay, stars are glowing gases, a huge gas that is called stars. Okay, So our earth, sorry, the sun, our sun is a star, and around the sun so many planets are wandering, means revolving around the sun. Okay, let us check which are the important planets. Yes, look at the picture here. Yes, this is the sun, the yellow color, and so many big and small planets are there. When we count them, they are nine in numbers, but now we have only eight. This Pluto is not considered, now it is not considered as a planet. Okay, and we have only eight planets. Okay, only eight planets. Look at the name. First one, Mercury, then Venus, next one, Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. How many planets are there in the solar system? Eight planets. Which are the eight planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the eight planets. Once more, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, have you heard this eight planets? Yes, you may. Which are the eight planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Yes, in your textbook, a very easy way we can study or we can memorize the name of the planets easily. Yes, that is given in that textbook. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Yes, through this way you can memorize, you can keep it in your mind, the names of the eight planets in order. In order, that is from the earth, sorry, from the sun. The name of the planets in order from the sun, from on the basis of the distance from the sun. First one, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the eight planets. Okay, so I think it is over for today. You please do one thing. You just read the lesson very carefully. You can see this video repeatedly. Then only you will understand these things. Because in 6th standard, these topics are very maybe sometimes maybe newer to you. So please go through the textbook so many times, several times. Okay, read the lesson very carefully. If you find any difficult word, you can ask me. Not in the group, not in WhatsApp group. You can ask the questions, ask your doubts in my personal WhatsApp chat, or you can call me anytime. Okay, my number is available in your WhatsApp groups in 6A and 6B. Okay, then if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Through the app also, you can ask the questions, ask the doubt. Okay, so that's all for today. So read the lesson very carefully. Do that experiment. Okay, then you can find, you can feel the difference. You will understand it very clearly, very easily. Okay, okay, thank you, dear children. Do well. Have a nice day. Thank you.